All right, so now we're off to Rudolph's
Rips and Rudolph's hole. Yeah.
Rips and Rudolph's hole.
Yeah.
There we go.
This is really a nice driveway. But there's electrical lines up in among some trees.
Oh, I see it now.
Yeah.
Well, this is deep in the woods. This is real Maine deep in the woods living right here.
Oh yeah.
Black-eyed Susans.
Yep.
Oh yeah, you got your worm box.
Yeah. Now, if you want to just throw a couple of these in your backpack or your
I'll just take the
fish creel there.
I'll just take it with me.
I have that old blanket in there, and my grandson spotted that, and he says, "Is that Grammy's fingers?"
Right. Don't.
Any insect repellent, because the fish will
Smell the.
Yeah. Ain't that awful? Huh?
No, I have to do the same thing. I've had to do the same thing. Spray yourself down for these Maine flies.
When the guy that owned this had a little bulldozer like Dennis's,
Uh-huh.
and he built a trail right down to, we might have to use your machete.
Okay.
He built a trail right down to the woods. Right to this spot. Well, when we come down here fishing, I guess we're still in high school, and we come down here fishing one afternoon. A friend, Albert, and I come down, and we took a pup tent with and sleeping bags. We're going to spend the night and then fish the next day. So we set our tent right in the middle of the road because it was nice and level.
Uh-huh.
And the flies were bad. Holy old jeez. So anyway, we got in the tent there and was going to sleep. Kind of mosquitoes come in, and all we had was that smelly woodsman fly dope. He says, "Well, good, we're going to get some sleep." Well, just about that time, a chipmunk or a squirrel or something ran up over the little pup tent and down the other side.
Oh, I bet that startled everybody.
So we hollered and got rid of it. And we laid down again. We were laying there, and we heard a rumbling of lightning, or thunder and lightning there. So we're, holy old jeez, a big storm come through. And we were in the tent, laying in the tent on our sleeping bag, in our sleeping bags and stuff. And he says, "You hear that?" I said, "Yeah, I hear it." It was water running down the road on both sides of us.
Oh.
It just poured. We almost got out and went home, but it was a half-an-hour walk up. You know, we had one little flashlight. So we laid there, and finally it quit raining. Jeez. Finally we're going to get some sleep.
Right.
So we lay down there, still couldn't sleep. So pretty soon we got light outdoors. And well, now we'll go out and fish. So we crawled out of that little pup tent here and looked down right down there. And that whole thing was flooded with brown water. We thought we were going to float into the river, you know. But we made it home anyway.
This is called the Rips.
Yeah, and you'll see when we walk around the corner here, you'll see it's a nice area
It's
here.
beautiful.
Wait.
I'll follow your lead.
Yeah. You see what I mean by being nice down here?
This is perfect. Perfect fishing spot.
If anybody sees your little video you're making there, they'll say, "Well, I was there 40, 50 years ago." And
The Rips.
the Rips, yeah. The Swedes had a lot of names for places along this stream. Up at Jemplin up there, They always called it toboggan. That was called Looks Bunkin. And that was Trout Bank. I probably pronounced it
Trout
wrong.
Bank.
It was called Trout Bank up there. And a little further they had a name of Clay Bank. And I guess we better not go too far up. We're going to have to get out in this river sometime.
Okay.
It's starting to get tougher going anyway. I'm going to test the water. It's like going swimming, you just get used to the water. You got sneakers on?
I've got rubber boots.
Oh, you do? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm going to try over along the brush there, and
Okay.
you get behind that big rock there. I only got one sinker on. I think you got two on. And one's almost too much for this right here.
They're hungry enough, they'll bite it.
Oh yeah, it's in here. It was a funny thing. We used to come down here for a few years there, and this place was full of little salmon, landlocked salmon out of Madawaska Lake.
Yeah.
And it must have been a nursery or something that year. Of course, they like all the oxygen anyway in the water here from all the.
Now I'm using these trout worms, correct?
Yep. Yep. You can try either one. It don't matter. But I got one. Look, see him?
Oh, wow. Yep, you got one.
Yep. That's why you carry a dip net with you.
A dip net, yep. Still, you got one.
Well, one. He was big enough too.
Got one on the reel.
You'll see what a junkfish looks like.
Willette's in Van Buren, Maine. I want to tell you thank you. Shout out to Willette's in Van Buren, Maine. Appreciate the bait and all the good cooking you do every Thursday morning for us. Yeah, I saw it. We found the secret stash of fiddleheads.
The river's right there. Unless you get out closer to it.
Okay.
Of 60 years ago, I did one of these things. I don't remember that big bank of gravel they said. More beavers.
Had to pull out the weed whacker. It sure is beautiful. Taking a minute to get to Rudolph's hole, running into a few roadblocks. Yeah, this has got to be close. A few moments later, we hacked our way through the brush. So much.
There was never a gravel bank over there.
truck.
All right. It ain't a trout. It's one of them stupid red fins.
Well, you caught something.
I caught him. As long as he don't cost me a hook, I don't care. That must be all that's down here. This is a little rustle. Get weight off your legs for a while.
Again, thank you, Willett's, for the bait. Willett's Bait and Tackle. And a tasty breakfast in Van Buren, Maine. All right, finally caught one. All right, we're gonna let you back go. You're too small.
Got one of them too. Just barely hooked him too. Nice. There's a lot in this river. Stream.
I think it'll be easier just to wade through it. Yeah. Made it back. Finished up with the nice cold Moxie. Moxie.